Do you remember doing this when you were a kid? Looking at the water, puddles, looking at puddles like this. Looking at reflections of things in the puddles. Looking at your own reflections in the puddles. Splashing in the puddles. Making ripples in the puddles. And your parents telling you not to do it, you're doing it anyway. Remember that? It was fun. Yep. This is a famous puddle at Arguello and West Pacific Avenue in San Francisco at the Presidio Golf Course. That's the putting green. There's the putter. Let's see if we can zero in, go closer to the putter. Yep. Picking up a ball. Picking up a bunch of balls. Throwing a bunch of balls. Back to the beach. Bouncing a ball on the end of his golf club. Anyway. And there is the gorgeous sunset of the clouds that created that puddle. And there's me not being run over by the guy in the truck on the other side of the sunset. I'll see if I can get that one break there. Where is it? There we go. And there's the sun looking through the clouds. That created the puddle. I can't help it. I like the shapes in the damn puddle. And splashing in the puddle. That's also fun. Okay, playing in the puddle. Goodbye.